Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. It's time to change the key fob battery of the Scorpio-N. The process of replacing the battery is pretty simple. You take your key fob, flip the key, and just take the cover off. Now, as you can see, the battery is CR2032. Let's get that out. Just take a screwdriver, and there's an arrow mark here. Just gently pry it out, and let's get the fresh battery. So here we have the new battery. Slide it in like this. The positive stays up, and just press it and it falls into place. And it's done. Let's just put the cover back, push it in place. And you're set to go. After replacement of the battery, I usually take the second key and the cycle continues from here. You can also keep the spare battery in the glove box and change it on the go, but you get a pretty good time window to do so. So if you found the content helpful, do give it a thumbs up. That's it from my side, and I'll see you on the next one.